Bukit Batok Nature Park was developed in 1988 in an abandoned quarry and offers stunning views and crystal clear waters. By day, it's a park filled with hangouts that are convenient for jogging and family entertainment. But what most people don't know is that it has souls that still wandering around and a dark history that still haunt the park. By night, the place is always veiled in suspense and mystery. From its harrowing history as a battlefield during World War II to tales of murder and suicide.
Okay, you remember our previous kan? Previous we're in there kan, there's a one big huge leaf yang lain tak move, dia seorang aja move right and left and right and left, and there's no much wind down there, and yeah, and then you say let's go up. I say no need lah, next time. So we don't go on that particular day. So we return back with Busu, and then the three of us. So I feel like secure lah to walk up lah. And yeah, during our journey up there, we saw a few of the leaf, the same thing like the previous experience. Macam dia goyang-goyang, daun-daun dia besar-besar tu, here and there, a lot of parts lah.
Okay, so what do you mean as a lot of parts? Dia macam just satu leaf je yang bergerak ke macam mana? Can you a little bit more?
Okay, it's like macam kita jalan sikit kan, sebelah kiri kan, ada macam daun besar tu dia bergerak, habis kanan pula, ada ke depan pula, macam selain kita berjalan tu, adalah pergerakan yang benda yang sama macam itu berlaku dalam perjalanan yang seterusnya lah.
So pada you macam rasa ada angin ke? Mana tahu ada angin?
During that time tak ada angin, pasal kita dah sweat habis. Sweat tu maknanya berpeluh habis. Jangan cakap kepala je kan, berapa banyak depan belakang semua berpeluh, and we don't feel any wind at all during that time. Lagi kita dengan effort kita nak walk up to the hill, and some more it's a very narrow road, and narrow path. Obviously there's no wind in the middle of the jungle, and consider jungle lah kan, because kiri kanan semua pokok-pokok, semua plant and everything lah, macam hutan lah gitu kan. So kita nampak lah ada satu macam quite weird lah from my first experience and my second experience. Macam sama so kita just tawakal, we keep on continue walking until your Busu say that it's okay, behind there's got uncle dengan auntie. Memang sebelum kita naik atas tu, kita nampak ada two elderly lah. So yeah, so I don't care about them lah. For mine, I focus on the front, the couple lah, the elderly uncle lah. So when she happened that she said that it's okay, belakang kita ada uncle dengan auntie. So immediately when she say like that, when I went up to the staircase, I turned to my left side, turn around to look at behind. Is really to ensure that there's an elderly down there. I never see it. And obviously I never hear any of their voice at the back. So I straight look up, ignore whatever she say. Tak melayankan. That's happen bila kita dekat ground floor, when we see the batu-batu yang bukit macam cantik tu, kita tengok tasik dia macam tenang, habis ada bunyi impact sikit. Before that happen, we saw there's a tin kat tepi tu. I thought it's a tin like macam orang dah minum air, main campak-campak kat tasik ke apa kan, literally. But actually not. When I look up again, betul-betul it's not. It's like macam palsu, macam orang kepercayaan bangsa yang lain untuk berbuang abu-abu dia ke apa lah. Palsu dia macam terstuck 2-3 kat tepi situ. So that's tu kantin lah. Dah terperasan tertegur, because I thought that really like normal thing macam tasik standard orang buang sampah. But tak tahu pula ada macam palsu-palsu yang macam orang buang abu-abu mayat ke kematian ke arwahnya kan. That's before that happen. When we go up the staircase, that's what my experience lah. Then after that, naik, yeah, we have our fun and so on. And yeah, we reach home. We really tired, exhausted for the whole day. For the day, and then mandi, tidur apa semua, and then besok pagi, then I feel like my left peha lah kata kan, tight peha, macam ada rasa macam tak uncomfortable down there. So when I look at it, it's a blue black, and it's like a red patch, dia macam bongkak. So I was thinking like, I never hit anything for the whole day punya outing activity. None. And where does it come out? And then yeah, you can see the picture lah.
Within Bukit Batok Nature Park is a World War II memorial site. During World War II, the Japanese selected the Lorong Sesuai site as a memorial for the soldiers who died. All that remains are 2 pillars and 120 concrete steps leading up to a transmission tower. A memorial plaque lies at the foot of the stairs to inform visitors of the significance and meaning of the location.
No, I love her. She's shy. Gitu lah, very simple. Saya suka lu. Saya very how to say ya?
Like is
Dia kata married,
Married.
kahwin.
no sayang dulu.
Saya sayang lu. You go hiking or walk?
Hiking yang walk. Ni kita sini.
Tak, kita dekat sini sekarang. Tadi kita datang daripada mana Okay, see you.
Take care.
Kemah, kita tak berjalan ni?
No, no trespassing.
Kemah tak payah, Kemah.
Jom ayah sini.
Tak payah.
Dia macam
Ada way out.
ni, oh ni macam well lah. Nak tengok well dia tak? Nak tengok well tak?
Well tu kita ada pergi zoo.
Itu ada well.
Well, bukan well tu.
Babi besar suka dah kopi. Babi. Ini memang cinta.
Apa pula ni?
Oh ni tempat yang tinggal lah. Tempat yang tinggal. The wheel on the bar go round and round. Round and round.
Ini apa?
Okay, kita turun bawah balik. Turun bawah lagi hebat dia.
Okay.
Apek boleh ketawa. I follow you guys laugh lah. Orang ajar cakap pasal kita tak exercise. Dia pergi kanan.
Oh nak bahang kita depan je mah.
Nampak sangat korang tak pernah selesai dia kata. Kita gores hati. Cut deep you know.
Ini main slide pun best lah.
Ya, imagine kita tengah drive. Slow.
Adik ambil gambar boleh?